Our process begins at the sanctuary, where healthy hippos gather in comfortable environments. Handlers gently guide the hippos into position to ensure a safe and calm milking routine.
Each hippo's udder is thoroughly sanitized before extraction begins.
Automated suction cups designed for gentle extraction are attached carefully. Automated suction cups designed for gentle extraction are attached carefully.
Fresh, raw hippo milk begins flowing into clear, food-grade transfer lines.
The fresh, raw milk collects inside sterile stainless steel pails.
Every collection bucket is immediately sealed to maintain freshness and purity.
Sealed containers are loaded onto specialized transport carts right at the sanctuary. Rapid transport minimizes temperature variation and preserves raw milk quality.
Upon arrival at the plant, raw hippo milk enters the intake bay.
Raw hippo milk is poured directly into the intake receiving tank.
A raw sample is immediately collected to verify fat content and purity. Advanced testing ensures raw hippo milk meets all physical and biological standards.
Once verified, the raw hippo milk batch is cleared for primary filtration. Intake pumps transfer raw hippo milk from storage into the primary filtration unit.
First stage coarse filtration removes any macro particles from the raw milk. A centrifugal clarifier spins the hippo milk to eliminate microscopic impurities. The clarified hippo milk is instantly chilled to 4 degrees Celsius. Cold, raw hippo milk rests in insulated silos with continuous, gentle agitation. Operators regulate flow rates as hippo milk transfers to standardization. The standardization system balances high natural fat levels in hippo milk. Standardized hippo milk displays a smooth, uniform texture and consistent color. Preheating elevates hippo milk temperature to prepare for homogenization. High-pressure homogenization breaks down fat globules for a silky consistency. Constant pressure monitoring ensures complete lipid integration throughout the hippo milk. Fat globule sizes are reduced significantly, preventing cream separation in finished products. The hippo milk enters the HTST pasteurization system. Milk is heated to precisely 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Flow diversion valves guarantee only correctly pasteurized hippo milk advances. Regenerative cooling efficiently transfers heat while rapidly chilling pasteurized hippo milk. Chilled pasteurized hippo milk is stored in sterile buffer tanks under positive pressure.
Post-pasteurization samples are verified for safety and quality compliance.
Quality assurance confirms 100% pasteurization success and product safety. Empty PET bottles for hippo milk are molded on-site under sterile conditions. High-pressure air expands preforms into final 1-liter hippo milk bottles. Air conveyors transfer empty hippo milk bottles into the cleanroom filling hall. Bottles are inverted and rinsed with ozonated water
to eliminate all dust. Sterile air knives thoroughly dry the interior and exterior of each bottle. Sterile air knives thoroughly dry the interior and exterior of each bottle. Bottles undergo UVC light sterilization immediately prior to filling. The sterile filling carousel aligns precise volumetric nozzles with every Hippo milk bottle. Pasteurized Hippo milk fills each bottle accurately to 1,000 milliliters. Tamper-evident caps are torqued onto filled Hippo milk bottles instantly. An inline inspection system verifies correct fill levels and cap alignment. Exterior bottle surfaces are air-dried to ensure perfect label adhesion. Branded labels featuring product information are applied at high speeds. Every Hippo milk bottle receives a laser-etched batch code and expiry date. A final visual check by quality personnel ensures perfect packaging standards. Bottles are automatically grouped into 6-packs for multi-pack bundling. Durable shrink film wraps around each 6-bottle bundle of Hippo milk. Thermal heat shrinking secures 6 Hippo milk bottles into a rigid, transport-ready package. Cooling fans quickly set the plastic film for structural stability. Robotic arms transfer 2 bundles, total 12 Hippo milk bottles, into sturdy shipping trays.
Cartons are taped securely to protect Hippo milk packages during handling.
Master box labels detail lot numbers, weight, and destination information. Sealed Hippo milk cases travel along high-speed roller lines to automated palletizing. Cartons are placed in optimized patterns for maximum load balance. A heavy-duty robotic palletizer handles high-volume Hippo milk distribution packaging.
Protective slip sheets are inserted between layers to prevent carton shift.
Once full height is reached, the Hippo milk pallet transfers to stretch wrapping. Automatic stretch wrappers secure the entire Hippo milk pallet in protective film. A top cover sheet is applied for complete dust and moisture protection. Film tails are heat-sealed smoothly against the pallet wall. Logistics labels are applied to 2 sides of each Hippo milk pallet. Certified drivers transport finished Hippo milk pallets to cold storage. Pallets immediately enter cold storage to maintain strict refrigeration chain. Pallets immediately enter cold storage to maintain strict refrigeration chain.
High-density cold storage racking keeps Hippo milk inventory organized.
Warehouse management systems register exact storage locations in real time. Uniform air circulation keeps all Hippo milk stock at precisely 2 degrees Celsius. Shipping orders trigger automated retrieval of stored Hippo milk batches. Pallets are safely retrieved based on strict first-in, first-out inventory rules.
Hippo milk pallets are staged in temperature-controlled loading zones.
Refrigerated transport trailers dock tightly against padded shelter seals.
Dock plates adjust automatically to bridge factory floor and truck bed.
Trailer interior temperatures are verified before any Hippo milk is loaded.
Electric pallet jacks transport Hippo milk loads directly into the pre-chilled trailer.
Pallets are loaded systematically to ensure weight distribution and stability.
Side-by-side alignment maximizes trailer capacity while keeping air channels open. Trailer doors are locked immediately after loading to maintain thermal integrity. A heavy-duty, tamper-evident bolt seal guarantees chain of custody security. Shipping documentation and temperature log records are handed off to driver. The refrigerated transport vehicle exits the factory intake bay. Final security check verifies seal numbers prior to site departure. Final security check verifies seal numbers prior to site departure. Fresh Hippo milk travels under continuous temperature monitoring to regional hubs. Arrival at regional depots ensures rapid distribution to retail shelves. Store personnel unbox cold Hippo milk packages for immediate shelf display. Bottles are displayed in temperature-controlled glass display cases for customers. Consumers enjoy premium quality, perfectly processed Hippo milk.
From sanctuary to glass, pure, safe, and nutritious Hippo milk, crafted with care.